chakra healing. So target on your heart chakra and do the healings, whatever healings you are doing, whichever way, as I said. You might be practicing whatever spiritual practice, target on your heart chakra and send special healings to your heart chakra. You really need alignment there. Might be feeling a little bit emotional, overwhelmed, as in sometimes you might be very happy or very kind of in an energy of a child. But just in a moment, something happens and you might just start feeling low all of a sudden. Maybe you are just feeling a lot irritable in your relationships at the moment. So don't take big decisions at the moment. Might be feeling that you are not being treated well in your family. Maybe you feel that people just do not bother about your well-being and they're just not considerate. Nothing of that kind is happening. It's actually you getting oversensitive. So stop taking things personally at the moment. You're not in the right alignment of your soul, okay? So whatever you feel is just overwhelmed at the moment. And that is a very clear sign that it's the result of your heart chakra not being balanced. And as you are going through that spiritual awakening and are practicing spirituality in some way, so all of this is happening because you need healing of your heart chakra. When you heal your heart chakra, I'm seeing that you'll be able to transform all the more. You'll become so wise. You'll be happy without any authentication from somebody, right? So it's not that people need to say something nice to you, only then you'll be happy. You'll not be dependent on that anymore. You'll become independent if you'll be able to heal your heart chakra. So your relationships also will come in place automatically because you'll have a lighter mindset for your relationships, okay? So you need to do that. Keep that in mind and start healing your heart chakra. You can wear green aventurine if you have the availability. And if you want me to help you with that, you can of course call on the number and you can get your heart chakra pendant or a palm stone. You can take a green aventurine to crumble, whatever suits your need at the moment. But that can help you a lot. I would suggest a green aventurine pendant for few of you. Try to wear green clothes on a Wednesday. If you cannot, it is still okay. It's just an addition for your healing. You need to align to the energies and heal your heart, right? So that's what I'm seeing for your body as well as your soul. When you heal your heart chakra, you'll see that your emotions are getting stable. You'll be able to take right decisions and not an emotional one, not very sensitive, and you'll not be overwhelmed on everything. You'll not be getting hurt and teary eyes on everything. All of this is happening at the moment because you need that alignment. So it's like that car that we need to get serviced. So yes, your body and your soul needs that servicing. The more you'll be aligned, the more you'll be a channel, a powerhouse. Go ahead and do that for yourself. And I'm wishing you all the best, all the more luck towards you. Bye-bye for now.